What's happening, everybody? I finally got myself some Goggles 3. I just got them. Pretty excited. Think I'm going to go fly the 360, some FPV. I got a little sun today, too. Happy Memorial Day. But yeah, I'm going to go fly the 360. It's been a while. I haven't flown all week. I have to do the Avata 2 also. I got to try out the new goggles, right? Got to do a couple laps with the Avata 2. I still have my N3s, and I like my N3s. But these are way smaller, way lighter, way better picture. Should be pretty cool. Like I said earlier, hope everybody had a great Memorial Day. Mine's coming to an end, back to work tomorrow. Haven't flown all week, but it's time. One of the coolest things I've realized this summer, well, it's not quite summer yet, but darn close, May 25th today, is I've been waiting for warm weather to fly the drones. And I think I got 13 of them now. But I've been waiting to fly, and I've been super excited. But at the same time, flying FPV in the summertime, like when it's like almost 90 degrees, woof, that gets hot really fast. It's crazy. I've been waiting for this weather, and now it's here, and it's like, whew, it's too hot. It's too hot. That sucks getting old. I was going through my drones real quick. I got the Hover Air X1, the Potensic Atom 2, the Skyrover S1, X1, DJI Neo, Neo 2, Flip, the Avata 2, the Mini 5 Pro, the Mini 3 Pro, and the 360. And I think I still feel like I'm missing stuff. I got a bunch of Temu beaters, but they're fun to like fly straight into a wall. That's about it. You go beyond like 400 feet and they just keep going. That's kind of where I'm about ready to let them go. But they're fun if you want to smash into something, or you're not so sure about taking it somewhere. That's what Temu's for. All right, that's enough talking about stupid stuff. Let's get this bird in the air. Got everything ready to go. Nope. All right, let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom.
Environment. Environment.